Hi, it's pooris in SBL Foods. The most common, the pooris. We have different varieties of pooris. Pooris with wheat, with soji. So today I am making wheat pooris. This is Mukta Nagaraj showing you to make pooris. I am taking one measure of wheat flour, that is 1 cup. To this I am adding salt to taste. I am using 2 teaspoons of oil. Always for pooris, the dough has to be tight. It cannot be a soft dough. At this stage, you can wet the palm and again start kneading the dough. Now the dough is ready. I'm making this into equal portions. Here for this, I'm using the flour to roll this. You can even use some oil so that when you deep fry, the oil doesn't get dusty. But I prefer doing this. The texture of the pooris are different when you are doing it with the flour. Of course, the oil gets bad. Hot pooris ready to eat. This can go with any gravy, with South Indian or North Indian. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.